A massive fire broke out late last night at the Manish and Sahara markets on the Muhammad Ali Road. The markets have nearly 300 electronic and cosmetic shops. There are fears that most of the shops may have been gutted in the fire. Around 30 fire tenders are at the spot, but the blaze is yet to be brought under control. However, there are no reports of casualties or injuries caused by the fire.
As you can see, the fire here at Manish Market and the Sahara Mall still not under control. People are still bringing out bales of cloth, which is one of this market also has cloth. And of course, it's an electronics goods market, so there have been batteries inside, which is said to have aggravated the situation. And of course, the firefighting operations here are still on. As I can show you here behind me, firefighting operations are still on. In fact, water tankers are still coming in. Right now, what we are hearing is that there has been a shortage of water, and the market secretary has had to also get water to fight the blaze. You know, this lane is where all the fire tankers are parked right now, and right behind me here is the Sahara market. As you can see, it's completely gutted here. If I can show you just the extent of damage here, you can see that this market is completely damaged by this fire. In fact, there's smoke all around here. It's actually difficult to breathe with the kind of smoke that has been generated here in this area, and you can see people here behind me trying to retrieve whatever they can from the fire. But of course, what we are seeing right now is that there is a shortage of water, and of course the Home Minister Mr. R.R. Patil and the local MLA Mr. Amin Patel was also here a short while back. R.R. Patil, the Home Minister, just left a short while back. In fact, the Commissioner of Police is also here, and with other senior police officers trying to control the situation. But as you can see, the situation here, there's a lot of smoke, and of course the fire is still raging and not under control. With camera person Bapu Wagh in Mumbai, Saurabh